Okay, it's Tuesday, November 14th, 2017. This is Biostats Group 9, Lesson 19, Group Meeting Quiz. Okay, we'll skip the first two questions. Okay, for the next 7 questions, please use the following information. A public opinion poll surveyed a simple random sample of 1,000 voters. Respondents were classified by gender, female or male, and by voting preference, Republican, Democrat, or Independent. The results are presented here. In this set of questions, we will explore the research question, do men's voting preferences differ significantly from women's voting preferences? Use a level of confidence of 0.05. I think this was one of my more favorite units. Because if you plug in your information in your
gives you everything.
sheet, it gives you pretty much everything you need. Yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah, so Peggy, just off topic for just a second. You remember at the beginning of your Skittles thing, you were thinking about doing it by color ratio, whether each package had a different ratio of colors? This is what we would have used. This is the chi-squared that I was telling you we would have used for a test if we decided to do that question.
Okay, so which set of hypotheses is appropriate for addressing the research question?
The last one.
Last one.
Yep. Okay, question 4. What is the equation for computing the degrees of freedom?
Last one again?
Yep.
Yep, I agree. What is the correct choice for degrees of freedom for this problem? In our
2.
handy little graph tells us it's 2.
Yep.
Are the requirements for conducting a chi-square test for independence met by this data set?
The first one?
Yep. Question 7. What is the value of the chi-square test statistic for this problem?
I got 16.204.
Yep.
Yep.
So for the p-value on the next one, are you going to put in 0.000?
Yeah, that's what, because remember there were problems like this before, and this is the correct answer.
Okay.
What did we get for question 6? Sorry, somehow I missed that.
It's the first one.
Okay. That makes sense.
Yes, there are at least 5 expected counts in each cell. Because if you look at each cell and it's over 5 and it's already given you the values, then you know that's the one.
Alrighty.
Okay, so question 9. Which of the following statements best describes the outcome of this study?
The first one.
Yeah. Okay, does somebody else want to read the next set?
I'll do it. This one is, do people in Europe and Australia and the United States seek chiropractic care for the same reason using significance of 0.05? Question 10 is, are the conditions satisfied? I said true.
Yep.
I agree.
Question 11, degrees of freedom. I said 8. The value of the chi-squared statistic, I got 7.436.
Agree?
Yep.
So the p-value was 0.490, and it was the second question, the second result.
Yep.
Insufficient evidence to suggest motivation to visit a chiropractor is not independent.
I think that was my favorite section.
I'm so glad you like it.
It really was fun.
Yeah.
And I can't say that about a lot of them.
Yeah, we got all of them correct, all of them right.
You submitted already?
Did you all do it before?
I did it before. I have to confess.
At the last meeting, the two of them had done it before, and they suggested that we do it ahead of time because I think I'm really slow at using the apps.
Oh, okay. Because I was like, I don't know how you all entered that information so fast.
Yeah,
that's
it's
just-
because we did it.
Okay. So are we gonna do that for next time?
I mean, it sounds good.
Okay.
How many?
Just
We're almost
Sorry.
done, aren't we? How many quizzes do we have left? I guess no. I guess we have a bunch.
sorry,
Yes,
guys.
yeah.
So
We still have a few. Our next one, didn't I say, isn't our next one a review
Probably.
for the next exam, I believe? That's what sticks in my head.
Kelsey, what question are you on? I'm really sorry.
oh no, it's fine. It's just I want to make sure for number 8, is it 0.000? Okay. I always feel weird putting that, so I just wanted to double check.
Yeah, me too. Especially because there was a fourth digit that was a 3, and
Right,
so I was
exactly.
like,
I was like, I want to put it so bad, but it says round to 3.
All right, and for the group project, it's the ratio of Skittles, right?
Yeah.
I don't know what's ratio skills. I don't know what that is.
No, for like the candy Skittles, right? Am I pronouncing it right? For
Yeah,
the-
what
for the-
about- Yeah, what about
Well,
the
for the-
Skittles?
Yeah, I haven't done my data yet, so I'll go by the store and pick them up tomorrow.
Okay, well, you don't have to if you don't want to, because we both live in Texas. I did 23 of them or 22 of them because that's how many kids I had in my class this morning, and I bought one for all of them, and they all counted them. So if you want to count some, you're certainly welcome to, but there's not a lot of pressure, because I wasn't sure if you could get Skittles on the base.
Yeah, you can.
So-
It's just it's the whole point of, like, if you want to get anywhere on the base, most of the time you have to walk. So that'll be like I'll try and see if I'll be able to swing by the PX tomorrow. But
Okay, well, if you can't, what I'm saying is if you can't, it's not a big deal because we now have, instead of having 16 from Texas, we have 22 from Texas. So,
Oh.
and I didn't buy them. I mean, I had to buy, if I'm going to buy one for one person in my class, I have to get one for everyone. And so I had to get 22. So if you don't get them, it's not that big of a deal. We'll have a plenty big sample size.
Peggy, are you still gonna put some in? 'Cause
Yeah,
I think we're at 30 right now. So if we had 38, I think that would be.
Yeah, that'd be really good.
yeah, I was going to, but I was waiting for him to give us the official thumbs up before I did mine.
Oh, I gotcha.
I didn't wait because we were doing Messiah 2 this morning. And
Yes.
so
She
I
was
wanted it to.
seminary. She was all in whether we got the thumbs up or not. So
That's right. If we change projects, I'm happy to change projects. I needed a service project this morning and it worked out really nice.
I think that's cool. All right, you guys. We'll plan on Saturday then at 7, usual.
Yep.
Okay.
All right. And do you want us to look at the quiz ahead of time and do it again? Is that your preferred way of doing it?
It's up to you.